Hey guys, it's Cass and Ken. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, Cass is the camera guy, and today we're going to be trimming my son hair. So stay tuned if you want to see how I trim it. Well, this is actually the second time. So stay tuned and you will see how I trim his hair. So first, I will comb his hair to make sure when I'm trimming it does not knot and tug on his hair. So then now I will oil the machine. You have to always remember to oil. We're gonna put the gun all the way forward so that it will trim everything So now I put the gun all the way back so that it will be open. I'm going to make a second 1-inch line. So So now I use a half guard to level down the top, and I put it all the way back. So I changed to a 1 guard instead because his hair was tugging and he didn't like it. So I changed to a 1 guard and pushed the blade all the way back to do the top. Because I used the 1 guard to flatten up top, I'm now going to use the half guard to fade between here and here. Okay. use the blade now to run up. So this is the finished product after I finished wronging up. I can't really wrong up, but you know, I try the thing.
Okay.
Baby, wait. Then see, it's faded, blended in, and everything. Maybe don't do that. So I'm going to put some gel and try to make some curls to see how it will look at the top. Make it a bit. I don't have a spray bottle, so I'm using glasses and water. So after it's wet, and some eco gel. Okay, I think that's enough. Now I'm going to use this sponge. Oh my gosh, I did. Oh, I shouldn't do to my sponge. Come, baby. So, please don't do that. Please, baby. Okay, so I'm seeing some hairs.
See some curl and everything like that. Bless you. See the curl patterns and things like that. I think I did a good job for the second try. You know? What do you think, Francine? Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Woot woot. Thank you, baby.
So guys, that's a wrap. Tell me what you think in the comment below. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And please comment and let me know what do you think, if I did a good job or not. I think I did an alright job for someone who don't know how to trim, and this is the second time I actually attempt to cut his hair and I got you. So please comment and tell me what you think. Bye.